Just one sec. If you don't actually know what it means to home your machine, that's when it comes as far forward as it can and as far to the left as it can. I screwed this up. I know. Shocker. Oh, Christy. Really should have raised up the suck it dust boot brackets. That would have been smarter. Oh my gosh. This is the best thing ever. It would have been the best thing ever if I had done it correctly. Two things I did wrong. I didn't get the dust boot mounting brackets out of the way, and so that prevented it from traveling the whole way forward. And I also didn't have a perfectly squared machine. Notice this huge gap here? This is precisely the point where I should have realized it did not home properly, and it's not the machine's fault, it was my fault. This was the point where it told me it was homed, but it didn't look quite right, so I moved the brackets out of the way and used this button to home the X, Y, and Z one more time, all at once. Now I have this size of a gap here, and that size over there. Now this was the part where I realized my machine probably wasn't perfectly squared up, and so I decided to remove all of the bolts except one in each front corner. This allowed those front bolts to act as true pivot points, and then I simply traveled the machine all the way to the back and let it square itself. You can travel the machine at a much faster speed than this, but beware. There are different settings on the joystick, and we'll leave that instructional video for another day. For now, check this out. I put a line where it originally was, and see the gap that exists now? The two Y rails literally squared themselves up just by traveling the carriage all the way to the back. Alright, you're officially square, parallel, and homed. Yeah, that is a number 2 pencil. You'll have to check out the next video to figure out what the heck I was thinking. Alright, subscribe, hit the bell, see you real soon.